Shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum to the family. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another short video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, we're going to be doing a live stream about 10:30 tonight. I'm just letting everybody know what really I want to talk about is unity, peace, and love for each other. We must create those entities of love, compassion, and unity. We need it bad, family. We need it bad. Too much hate, too much envy, too much jealousy. We must unite. We must unite like the animals in nature do. We must unite in unity. That's right. There's no other way. Unity is the key. Love is the key. And compassion for each other is the key. But family, we're going to cut this video short. This is my message to let y'all know I'm doing a live stream about 10:30. And another little message of love, compassion, and empathy for all my brothers and sisters and our babies. Peace and love. See y'all at the live stream. And I'm out.